Hi, welcome to Rudiments of Poi. My name is Tim. I've been spinning poi since about 2005 and just about anything else I can get my hands on. With this channel, I hope to make it easier for people to learn and practice flow arts, because the more people that learn and practice flow arts, the more the community grows, and eventually, the cooler stuff that I get to learn from you people. So, I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. I'm going to be focusing on 3 kinds of content for this channel. There will be flow arts tutorials, DIY make your own prop educational content, and then performance videos of myself and people that I find inspiring in the flow arts community. I hope you find the content in this channel valuable and decide to subscribe and follow along. Click the linky thing. If you want to learn how to make some sock poi like these with nice weighted handles for tosses, click the linky. Well, is it the linky thing? It's on one of the sides. Click the linky thing.